Okay, you can see the screen also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So yesterday we have seen two methods to solve second order equations, linear equations. Which methods we have seen? Generating function method and factorial series method. And I have given homework also. Everybody did it? So now today we are going to see the last section of this unit. That section is non-linear equations that can be linearized. So we know that a difference equation is a relation of the form y at t plus n is equal to function of previous values. Function of previous values means f of t like this. Can you see? I am writing. Y at t plus n is nothing but f of t y t at t plus 1 and so on y at t plus n minus 1. Some function of the previous values. So y at t plus n is equal to f of this means value of y can be found recursively, okay, from the known values. So it is not always expected that we get the solution in explicit form, but there are some non-linear equations forms which we can linearize, and we know that how to solve the linear equations. Okay, so we will see some of the examples of non-linear equations that can be linearized. In that, one form is Ricciti type of equation. Ricciti. Ricciti type equation. So it is of the form, the difference equation of the form y at t plus 1 into y at t plus p of t into y at t plus 1 plus q of t y at t plus r of t is equal to 0 is known as Ricciti equation. If my given difference equation is of this form, then we will say that this is Ricciti equation, Ricciti type equation. So this is linear or non-linear? Whether this equation, whatever I have written, it is a difference equation. Whether it is linear or non-linear? Can anybody reply?
Linear.
This is linear. In first chapter only we have discussed what is mean by linear difference equation and what is non-linear difference equation. Here you can't see the first term. What is this? Y at t plus 1 into y at t. It is a product. Product, if it contains dependent variable products, means that will be non-linear term. So how it can be linear? This is non-linear type of equation. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because here product is there. Y at t plus 1 into yt. If it is addition, subtraction, then it is linear. But here it is product of y at t plus 1 into it. So it is not linear term. Okay. Sorry. So this type of non-linear equation is called as Ricciti type of equation, and which is Ricciti type of equation, and which we can solve by linearizing. By substitution, if we use some type of substitution, we can linearize this, and then we can find its solution by our previous methods. Okay. So consider give this number, equation 1. So how to solve this? So we have to use here, let ut is equal to yt is equal to, we will see. Yt is equal to, we will use the substitution z at t plus 1 upon zt minus p of t. If we use this substitution, then let this, then direct substitution of this expression in equation 1 is a linear equation. Linear equation in terms of z. Okay, in terms of z. What is that? If I substitute, what I will get here? As follows. What will be that? Z at t plus 2 upon z at t plus 1 minus p at t plus 1 into y at t. Y at t I am substituting as z at t plus 1 upon zt minus p of t plus p of t into y at t plus 1. Y at t plus 1 will be, again, you can substitute here. T plus 1 minus p at t plus 1 plus q of t into yt. Yt means z at t plus 1 upon zt minus p of t plus r of t, which is equal to 0. Simplify this. Try to simplify this. You will get z at t plus 2 plus q of t minus p of t plus 1 z at t plus 1 plus RT minus P of t into Q of t set t is equal to 0. Check this. Are you getting this? Are you getting this after simplification?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, which is linear or non-linear? Which is linear or non-linear?
Non.
Which is linear difference equation of second order. Of second order and can be solved by previous methods. Is that okay? So we are having non-linear difference equation and we have converted into linear difference equation, and that can be solved by previous methods in terms of z. So once we have z, then we just substitute here, that you will get value of y, and using relation this second, using then that can be solved, which is linear difference equation in z, in zt. Z of t n can be solved by previous method to obtain z. Then using equation 2 between using 2 relation between, or we can say using 2 we can get y of t, which is the required solution of equation 1. Is that okay? So we will see one example. Solve the difference equation y at t plus 1 into yt plus 2 times y at t plus 1 plus 4 times yt plus 9 is equal to 0. So we want to solve now this. You can see here this is non-linear equation, right? This is of the form equation 1 and which is Riccati type equation. Okay, so we will use here substitution, this substitution. We will use this substitution here. Okay, so whenever there is a Riccati type of equation, we have to use the substitution. So let yt is equal to z at t plus 1 upon zt minus p of t. That is so what is p of t here? If I compare with equation 1, comparing given equation with Riccati type equation, we get what is p of t? What is p of t? P of t is coefficient of y at t plus 1. What is coefficient of y at t plus 1? It is 2. So p of t is my 2. What is q of t? Q of t is coefficient of y of t and r of t is just so 4. And what is r of t?
9.
Okay. So let us substitute this one in given equation. Say therefore by substituting yt is equal to z at t plus 1 upon zt minus 2 in equation 1. We get what we get, simplify it. We get z at t plus 2 plus 2 times z at t plus 1 plus z of t is equal to 0. Check this. If I substitute yt is equal to this in equation 1, I will get this one. Check this. Are you doing calculations with me? You have pen and paper with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So do the calculations. Anybody got this? Are you trying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just some 2-3 steps you have to do, and you will get this equation. So this is now linear difference equation. Second order linear difference equation. So what is the, which is homogeneous also, right? Homogeneous. Right hand side is 0. So what is its solution? Therefore, its general solution. What is the general solution of this second order? What is the solution? This is of the form e square plus 2e plus 1
Plus 1.
separated on z of t is
E
equal to
plus 1
0.
square.
What is the e plus 1
E plus 1
bracket
whole
square z
square.
of t is equal to 0. So characteristic polynomial is lambda plus 1 bracket square is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 repeated twice. So what is the solution?
C1 minus 1 raised to t.
C1 minus 1 raised to t plus C2 times
Plus t times
minus
minus 1.
raised to t.
C2 minus
So
1 raised
instead
to
of
t.
C1 and C2, I am taking say A and B. A times so its general solution is given by A times minus 1 raised to t plus B times t into minus 1 raised to t. So this is my ZT. But I want solution y. So what should be yt? Therefore yt will be z at t plus 1 upon zt minus 2 na. So if I substitute here, what I will get? A minus 1 raised to t plus 1 plus b t plus 1 minus 1 raised to t plus 1 divided by a minus 1 raised to t plus b minus 1 raised to b times t minus 1 raised to
T
t
minus
minus
2.
2.
2.
So if I simplify this, minus 1 raised to t minus 1 raised to t from numerator and denominator, I can take common.
Yes, ma'am.
What will remain? Minus a minus b t plus 1 divided by minus 1 raised to t a plus bt, right? So minus 1 raised to t will get cancelled, and what will remain here? minus a minus bt I can write or okay, minus 2, right? So this is the required, or a minus b, if I take minus a minus b, if I take common, what will remain here? Okay, this I can write as minus 1 minus c times t plus 1 can I write like this? Minus 1 minus c times t plus 1, 1 plus c times t minus 2. Where c is arbitrary. Or this much is enough. Instead of writing in c, not necessary. This is given in book, but this is not necessary because it won't give general solution when a is equal to 0. Okay, so that much is enough. That is my y of t. Is that okay? Where a and b are arbitrary constants. Take homework. Solve the Riccati equations. Y at t plus 1 into yt plus 2 times y at t plus 1 plus 7 times yt plus 20 is equal to 0. And second one, y at t plus 1 into yt minus 2 times yt plus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the substitution I need to do here? What is P of t? If I compare, P of t is again 2 for first one. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And in second equation, P of t is 0. So substitution will be here, substitution will be yt will be substitution z at t plus 1 upon zt minus 2 only, like above 1. And for this we have to use substitution as z at t plus 1 upon zt because P of t is 0. Is that okay? Can you do this now?
Yes, ma'am.
You can do at home, okay? If any problem, you can ask me tomorrow. So shall I go to next method?
Yes, ma'am.
So this Riccati type of equation will be converted into second order equation. Okay, second order with constant coefficients. So that can be easily solved by our previous methods. This is 3.96 exercise. Page number 119. Third also you can take 3.97. Solve the Riccati type of equation. Y at t plus 1 into yt plus 7 y at t plus 1 plus yt plus 15 is equal to 0. So here substitution will be yt is equal to z at t plus 1 upon zt minus 1. Minus 1, yes.
7.
7, minus 7. P of t is 7 here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we will see another method, another type of non-linear difference equation. We'll go to another. Sometimes the structure of difference equation will suggest a substitution that makes a equation linear. Okay, so if by seeing that form we can use the substitution so that our equation will be linear. For example, solve the equation y at t plus 1 t plus 2 is equal to y at t plus 1 divided by yt. Whether this is linear or non-linear,
Non-linear.
yes, it is non-linear because division is there or product also you can say either division or product because if you simplify this you will get y at t plus 2 into yt is equal to y at t plus 1. So there is a product term or you can say division term is there. So this is non-linear difference equation. So whenever there is division, it's better to apply logarithm. So if in this case, we can apply logarithm, taking log on both sides. Logarithm on both sides. What we get? Log of y at t plus 2 will be log of y at
T plus
t
1
plus
minus
1
1
minus log of y at t. Okay. So what should be the substitution I should do so that I will get linear equation? What should be my substitution? Let zt is equal to log of yt, then above equation becomes, what it becomes?
Z at t plus 2.
Z at t plus 2 is equal to Z at t plus 1 minus
Z
zt.
at t.
That is Z at t plus 2 minus Z at t plus 1 plus Z of t is equal to 0, which is second order linear. Difference equation, and its general solution is given by, what is the general solution now? What is the characteristic polynomial? Corresponding characteristic polynomial is lambda square minus lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. What are the roots? Directly we cannot find, so a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4 ac divided by 2 times a. 2 times a means 1. So what should be the lambda? 1 plus or minus under root 3i divided by 2. Okay, so this has complex roots. So if I have complex roots, so what is the solution? R and theta, right? So lambda, if lambda is equal to a plus ib, a plus or minus ib, then it can be written as r. We have to write in terms of polar coordinates, plus or minus. So r times cos of theta plus or minus I sin theta. So what is r here? Where r is nothing but a square, r square is nothing but a square and a square plus b square, and theta is nothing but tan inverse of b by a, right? So what is a and b here for this one?
Square root 3 by 2. 1 by 2.
So what is theta? What is r? Therefore r is equal to under root
Square
1 by 2 square plus under root 3 by 2.
3 by 2 square.
What is that? 3 by 4, 1 by 4. So 4 by 4 means 1, right? R is equal to 1. And what is theta? Tan inverse of b by a. So under root 3.
Root 3.
What is that? Root 3? It is pi by 3.
Pi by 3.
Okay. So therefore, what is my solution? The general solution of equation number we will give. The general solution of equation 2 is z of t is equal to what then? C1 times a times
cos pi by 3.
Cos pi by 3 t plus b times sine pi by
Pi by
3 t.
T.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now I want yt. So what is yt? This implies yt is nothing but log of zt, na? But yt is nothing but log of zt. Therefore, sorry, zt is nothing but log of yt. No? This implies yt is nothing but e raised to zt, right?
Yes.
So which is nothing but e raised to or exponential of, I can write a cos of pi by t plus b sine pi by 3 t, or I can write it as c raised to something, okay, exponential of, so c raised to cos pi by 3t into d raised to, or we can keep like this also, no problem. Okay, which is the required solution? Either you simplify or you can keep this. That is my a and b are arbitrary constants, where a and b arbitrary constants, and that is my required solution. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Based on this, there is homework. Use a logarithm to solve exercise 3.99. Use a logarithm to solve yn plus 1 divided by yn is equal to 2 times yn raised to 1 by n, and b y at n plus 2 n plus 1 yn square. So both you have to take log on both sides. Okay, instead of y at t plus 1 and so on, it is given at y at n plus 1 upon y at n is equal to 2 times y at n raised to 1 by n. Okay, so take logarithm on both sides. So you will get log of yn plus 1 is equal to 2 by n log of yn plus log of yn, right? So 2 by n plus 1 log of yn. So you have to use the substitution z at t is equal to log of yn. So you will get here first order only, right? Here, so I think this might be converted into only first order. First equation will be converted only in first order, and second will be converted into second order. Can you do this? Will you try? Yes, ma'am. You have to just take logarithm on both sides and you have to use the substitution z is equal to log of zt नाही आता इथे z of n, zn is equal to log of yn. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So we can stop here today. So tomorrow also we will meet and only one method is remaining in this section. So this will complete our unit 2 and whatever doubts you are having in unit 2 or unit 1 we will discuss tomorrow. And I will check also, I will tell you to share your homework also tomorrow. Okay, I will see whoever did homework and whoever not. Okay, so you have to show me your homework, whatever you did.
Yes, ma'am.
By starting your video, you have to show me. Okay. So we can stop here and let me download the attendance. If any difficulties in these 2 units, please ask me.